the new 2020 Forest River Salem Cruise-lite 24RLXL. Exterior features include power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, tons of storage, a huge awning, outdoor audio, and solid steps. Now let's go on inside. This is a nice rear living setup. Got USB charge ports on both sides with the couch here at the rear. RV roller shades. Tons of storage overhead. And this huge dinette. And under the dinette, we've got storage bins on both sides, as well as a storage area under the kitchen. And this does go down to make a bed. Really, really nice and spacious. Over here, you got the fireplace. Really, really nice on a cold February day like today. Audio, and it's pre-wired for Wi-Fi. There's your TV backer area. Over here we've got this awesome kitchen. Tons of counter space, tons of storage, awesome Dometic range and oven. Look at the glass, that's pretty cool. And this refrigerator, it's not just no ordinary refrigerator. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. So yes, no propane, and look at this, ridiculous amounts of storage. Looks small on the outside, but then you open it, it's pretty huge. On to the spacious bathroom. These new shower inserts and shower layouts in these new Forest River Salems are ridiculously nice and huge. Me, I'm not that big of a person, but these are extremely spacious. Huge skylight, that's awesome. Lots of room in here as well. I mean, it's tons of room. You know, two people can get ready at once in here, it's easy. Got this vanity. Storage galore. Good counter space. If you got straighteners or razors, anything that needs to be put on the charger, blow dryer, you can put it right there. Got a DFI on the wall too. Storage over the commode. Good for towels and washcloths. And then over here adjacent to the shower, we've got storage as well for your soaps, toiletries. Awesome. On to the bedroom. We'll start under the bed. I know it's a weird place, but this is really, really cool. We've got these little storage bins under here. Salem has really went out of their way this year to maximize storage, and they have. Both sides of the bed, we got cutouts and nice space for hanging coats, shirts, and stuff like that. This is the designated CPAP area. You can put your CPAP machine in there. Got USB ports on both sides of the bed. And then we turn around to a full-size ceiling to floor closet. Not going to get your clothes all bunged up now. And hang them without them dragging on the floor and getting wrinkled. Pretty cool. So come check this out. This is the 2020 Forest River Salem Cruise-lite 24RLXL. It's available here at Robbins RV Motorsports in beautiful Idabel, Oklahoma. Come see us at 1300 Northeast Lincoln Road, or you can visit us online at www.robbinsrv.com.